To set up custom ringtone on the Samsung S26 Ultra, first of all, you will have to actually go into your files, and now we have to go into the internal storage. Now, switch from essentials into all of them, and you will have to go into your files. So I just download my song into the ringtones, but we have to move it. And by the way, if you don't know how you can download ringtones on the Samsung S26 Ultra, you can do this in the multiple ways. For example, you can do this by using some applications from the Google Play Store. I can recommend you, for example, the Zedge application, because it's free and you can quickly get any ringtone that you want by using search or picking something from the popular. Also, we can use the Galaxy theme store, where you can also download some ringtones. But now, if you already download this, as I said before, you have to go into files, you have to select your file and select copy. Now, click on the internal storage and you have to go for music, Samsung, and copy your file here. Now take a look. When you go into the settings, sound and vibration, ringtone like we did it previously, and click on the plus, by going to the Samsung folder or by going to the tracks, you can find your custom sound and you can just set this.